Hello everyone, I'm Anwar Qaddafi, and today I will present an empirical and systematic overview of a town called Lampung, the gateway of Sumatra. This presentation will explore the unique intersection between our ancient heritage and modern progress. Lampung is strategically positioned at the very southern tip of Sumatra Island, serving as the vital gateway that connects the island of Java and Sumatra. Beyond its geography, Lampung is governed by the noble motto Sang Bumi Ruwa Juai. This profound praise translates to the earth of the two groups of people united in one soul. It reflects our inclusive nature and the historical harmony between the indigenous people and the diverse migrant communities who have called this land home for generations. This spirit of unity within diversity is the bedrock of our provincial identity and the starting point of our discussion today. To truly understand Lampung's modern identity, we must delve into its rich historical roots. Historically, Lampung was a strategic hub for global maritime trade, significantly influenced by the greatness of the Sriwijaya Empire and later the Banten Sultanate. The name Lampung itself is believed to originate from the ancient word Anjak Lampung, which means to float, likely reflecting the migratory journeys of our ancestors. For centuries, this region was a melting pot of cultures, where local traditions met international merchants seeking our legendary pepper, once known as the black gold of the world. This history of the trade and interaction has shaped the resilient and open-minded character of our people. A fascinating aspect of Lampung sociology is the division into two primary customary groups, the Pepadan and the Saibaten. The Pepadan people typically reside in the interior, highland regions and are renowned for their unique democratic approach to social status. In their tradition, noble titles can often be earned through significant cultural contributions and elaborate ceremonies. On the other hand, the Saibatian people inhabit the coastal areas and follow a more aristocratic hereditary lineage system where leadership is passed down through generations. Despite these distinct structural differences, both groups coexist in perfect harmony, embodying a sophisticated model of mutual respect and shared cultural pride. At the psychological heart of every Lampung native lies the philosophy of Pia Pesinggiri. This is far more than a simple set of rules. It is a profound moral and ethical code that governs every social interactions. It is built upon several key pillars. Juluk Adok, which emphasizes the importance of maintaining a good name and title Numui Ngimah. The sacred duty of being as exceptionally hospitable to guests, Nengah Nyapur. The skill of active socialization, and Sakai Sambayan, the principle of mutual cooperation. This philosophy ensures that even in our pursuit of modern success, we remain accord in the values of dignity, honor, and community solidarity. As a literature student, I find our linguistic heritage particularly compelling. Lampung is one of the few regions in Indonesia that possesses its own ancient script, known as Had Lampung or Askara Lampung, consisting of 20 main characters. This script is a testament to the high level of intellectual civilizations and literacy achieved by our ancestor Longo. While modern Indonesian is the primary language of daily life, there are dedicated efforts to preserve this script through school curriculums and local art. Revitalizing Had Lampung is essential because losing a script means losing a unique window into the way our ancestors perceived and recorded the world around them. The Nuwo Sesat is the traditional stilt house of Lampung, and it represents as a masterpiece of cultural architecture. It is not merely a residence but a symbol of community leadership and social order. Historically, these structures served as grand meeting halls where village elders and leaders gathered to discuss important community matters and resolve conflicts through consensus. The elevated design was a brilliant adaptation to the natural environment, protecting inhabitants from floods and wildlife. Every carving and pillar with a Nuwo Sesat often carries symbolic meaning, reflecting the prestige and historical narrative of the community it serves. We cannot discuss the aesthetics of Lampung without marveling at kain tapis. This is an exquisite traditional textile made from hand-woven cotton and meticulously decorated with gold or silver threads using an embroidery technique called sulam. Tapis is truly a labor of devotion. A single high-quality piece can take months of intensive work to complete. Each motif, whether it depicts local flora, fauna, or ancient geometric patterns, carries specific social weight and indicates the wearer's status during sacred ceremonies. It is a brilliant example of how our people have transformed functional clothing into a world-class masterpiece of cultural identity. The Sige Penguntan dance is the supreme embodiment of Lampung's hospitality. Performed to welcome honored guests, this dance is a visual representation of the Nemoi Nyimah philosophy. The dancers, adorned in traditional gold attire and the iconic Siger crown, move with extraordinary grace and synchronizations to the rhythmic sounds of the Calobalak gongs. The performance culminates in the presentations of the Sekapur Siri, a symbolic of offering battle leave. This ritual signifies that the guest is not just a visitor, but is deeply accepted and respected within our social fold. It is a powerful display of our cultural warmth. Lampung's wealth extends far beyond culture into the realm of biodiversity. Waikambas National Park is internationally recognized as one of the last remaining refuges for the critically endangered Sumatran elephant. As Indonesia's oldest national park, It serves as a critical center for conservation, ecological research, and sustainable ecotourism. The elephants training and hospital centers here are vital for mitigating conflicts between humans and wildlife. Ensuring the survival of these majestic creatures, protecting Waikambas is a global responsibility as it represents the lungs of Sumatra and maintains the delicate equilibrium of our natural ecosystem. Our province coastlines offer some of the most breathtaking marine landscapes in the Southeast Asia. From the wild pods of dolphin that jump in Kiluan Bay to the vibrant, crystal clear snorkeling sites of Pahawang Island, Lampung is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. However, we must view this beauty through the lens of responsibility. As we face global climate challenges, the conservation of our coral reef and marine life has become an urgent priority. These sites are more than just tourism assets, they are fragile ecosystems that support local livelihoods and demand our commitment to sustainable travel and environmental advocacy. Often referred to as the land of black gold, Lampung holds a significant position in the global economy. We are one of the world's largest producers of high-quality Robusta coffee and black pepper. Our fertile volcanic soil provides the perfect nutrient-rich base for these commodities. When you enjoy a premium cup of coffee anywhere in the world, there is a high chance that beans were nurtured in the highlands of Lampung. This economic strength is built on the hard work of our local farmers and continues our historical legacy as a vital spice hub that has influenced global trade for centuries. In this modern era, Lampung is undergoing a historic transformation through massive infrastructure projects, most notably the Trans-Sumatra Toll Road. This ambitious development has drastically reduced travel times and opened up new economic corridors across the island. As the gateway to Sumatra, modernizing our ports and transportation networks is essential for seamless connectivity between Sumatra and Java. For the people of Lampung, this progress is a bridge that connects our ancestral traditions with a prosperous future, ensuring that our province remains a competitive and dynamic hub in the 21st century. In conclusion, Lampung is a land of profound philosophy, unparalleled natural beauty, and immense future potential. Today, we have journeyed through our history, our social structures, and our modern achievements, all united by the enduring spirit of Sang Bumi Ruwa Jurai. I hope this presentation has inspired you to explore our heritage further and perhaps visit our beautiful province yourself. Thank you for your time and attention. See you in the next video.